Hello everyone, my name is Arbaz Kazi. I'm working as an assistant professor in civil engineering department of Vidyavardhani's College of Engineering and Technology, Vasip. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your own website using WordPress. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll go to this new tab option and I'll type the name of the site, that is wordpress.com. Once you are redirected to this page, on the right hand side, you can see there are two options: login and get started. So if you have already made your website, you can select this login option. But if you are making a website altogether new, you have to just simply click on this get started option. Once you select that get started option, they will be asking you your email address, a suitable username, and a password. Since I have already made a website using the wordpress.com, I'll be entering the details that I have given while making the website. So once you enter your details, so they will be asking you certain questions like what will be the name of your site, what your site is all about, is it about education, travel, electricians, for a professional purpose, etc., like this, and what is the primary goal of your website. So once you have done with this, you have to simply go and click on this my site option, which is on the left hand side of your screen. So once you click this my site option, this something which is on the left hand side is called as the dashboard of your website. There are n number of options available in your dashboard like statistics, activity, plan, and even you can manage n number of things from this dashboard like adding site pages, blog posts, medias, feedback, plugins, etc. Even you can customize your themes using the dashboard. Now suppose I need to add a site page into my website. So I have to just go on to this site pages option and click on this add button. And once it is done, I have to just simply click the title, that is get materials. Once I have finished with my title and I don't want to write a document here or a paragraph here or a thesis here, just I need to upload a document, that is the question papers. So I have to just go and simply click on this add option and select media from it. So there are online library available in your wordpress.com. You can upload the n number of documents with the various options under various headings like your images, documents, videos, audios, etc. So I have already the selected and uploaded the document, and that is gate 2015 question paper. I have to just simply select it and press the insert button. Once it is done and you have finalized it, the title, you have to just simply click on this publish button. Once it is published, they will be showing you certain remark like this, that the page that you have added is been published on your website. Now if you need to add more things, you have to just simply click this close option, and whatever you changes you need to do, you can do it from here. Now suppose I need to add a new blog, suppose about new city planning. So as again you have to add a title and you can write the paragraph here. But if you have written the paragraph or short abstract anywhere else, you can simply copy it and paste it from here. So I'll be doing it that only. I have already written this small abstract or introduction part. I'll be just simply pasting it here. Once it is done, I have to just simply click this publish button. Again, it is showing me the remark that whatever post that you have applied, it has been published. Now suppose if you need to add media, you can do it in the same way, clicking on this add button. And even if you need to customize theme as per your choice, you can do it from here. Now if you want to see whatever the changes that you have applied and how your website looks after it, you can simply go and click on this option, view site. It will be redirecting to your web page. So I have added one page, that is gate materials, that is shown here, and a blog new city planning, that is also been shown here. Now for example, if I need to change this menu option, and if I need to even change the background colors, I can do it from your web page only. On the bottommost side you can see your customize option. You have to simply click it. It will take you to an menu options where you can add and remove n number of things. For example, site identity. From here you can change the title of your site, you can add and remove your logo from here, and even you can add or remove the tagline as per your wish. Colors and backgrounds can be changed from this option. Now for example, I don't like this white background, I want a dark color background, so I'll just select the color. The changes will be done and it will be seen on the right hand side of the screen. Even you can change the palettes, whatever you feel it is best suited for you, you can do it from here. Fonts also can be changed at any moment. You have been said it is showing that it is a default theme font. So whatever theme you select, there is a default font associated with it. But if you want to change it, you can do it from here. Header images, you can add and remove images as per your wish. Now for example, I have to add a new image. I will click just on it, and whatever is the new image, I'll select it. Select and crop it, and press on this crop image option. The changes will be applied. Menus option. So there are two ways here. You can create a new menu, or you can make the changes in the new old menu options. So suppose if I want to remove this gate materials page from this menu bar, so I have to just simply click on that current menu option, and in that current menu option I have to search that gate materials page, click on this down arrow button, and from the options I'll be selecting remove. Once it is done, you have to go back. Even as I said, you can create your new menu if you are not satisfied with the menu given by the wordpress.com. Content options. From here you can select the n number of options or deselect it, like your display date, display categories, etc. Widgets. From here you can add widgets. Now by default your wordpress.coms give you your search widget. I have added here contact info and calendar widget. And suppose if you need to add a new widget, you have to just simply click on this add a widget button. There are n number of options available to you. Whatever best suited for you, you have to select that option and the widget will be added to your website. Homepage settings, that is, it'll be showing what page you want, a static page you want or a late post you want, and in homepage what things you wanted, you can add and select it from here. And even you can change the other options like your theme options, AMP, etc. Once you are sure that these are the changes to be done, you have to simply click on this publish option. Once it is published, simply close this menu. It will be redirecting to your website, and whatever changes you have done, you can see. So I have deleted a page from the menu bar. I have changed the background, I have changed this header image, and I have selected this many widgets from my options. So this is how you can make your website using wordpress.com. I hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching.